Okay, so just getting ready for the trip tomorrow. Off to Wheels and Waves in France. Should be pretty good. Weather's looking absolute shit as usual. Typical if you're doing something like this. But yeah, exciting times. I'll see you on the road.
Fight me!
Say it's come from Tenbury, so probably going back to 11B. Sun's out. Sun's out. Guns out. that pissy little cabin.
Couldn't even swing your arm in here, let alone a cat. Jesus Christ.
Bloody hell. So we got in and we thought there was one bed, but there was another one in the roof in the end. Which was a result. Because that's quite a small bed to top and tail.
Unbelievable.
It's a bathroom, like it.
Don't look too bad.
That's alright, isn't it? Sweet. Cool. I don't know. I'm worried that this bed ain't going to support my weight. It's 150 kilos.
Yeah.
It feels real flimsy though. It's like this bed just don't feel right. Oh, god damn it! How'd you get up here? Son of a bitch! There's no ladder. There's no goddamn ladder.
We're in the Navy, do you?
Yeah. It's the narrowest bed I've ever slept in. This is. It's just ridiculous. There's a massive drop there. Look, I'm going to lose the pillow in the night.
If you were skinny, you'd fall down there, wouldn't you?
Be fucked. Yeah. God damn it. What's going on with this duvet? It's fucking crazy. So here I am. It's Marky.
You got to ride. I got one.
I'm in the bunk in the ceiling. Son of a bitch.
Just can't get enough.
Let's just hope the ship doesn't go down in the night, because when the ship goes down, you better be ready. Yeah.
Not gonna